JAM 2024, question number 7. Which of the following measures was not initiated by the government of India as part of the economic reforms in 1991? So in 1991, if you take a look at option A, the new industrial policy of 1991 was indeed introduced, which included measures such as liberalization, privatization, globalization. All of this was introduced in the industrial policy of 1991. So globalization and opening up of the Indian economy began as a part of the reforms. Okay, so option A is not the answer because this was indeed initiated. Okay, let's take a look at the other options. So full convertibility of rupee on capital account. This was not part of the 1991 reforms. Partial convertibility of the rupee on the current account was introduced. Full convertibility on the capital account has not been implemented even today. Okay, so this is the correct answer to the question. So this is not the answer. Ye answer nahi hai. Okay, like this is the answer. This was not initiated. Removal of quantitative restrictions. Now, removal of quantitative restrictions was introduced as part of the liberalization. Many quantitative restrictions on imports were removed. So this was introduced and hence not the answer. And last, guidelines for investment by foreign institutional investors in the capital market. Now, what were the guidelines? The guidelines for investment by FIIs in the capital market was as part of the opening up reforms of the Indian economy. Okay, so the entry of the FIIs into the capital market was also introduced in 1991. So that was also introduced. So not initiated by the government of India, it's full convertibility. Aaj bhi full convertibility of the rupee in the capital account nahi hai. Partial convertibility hai. That was introduced in 1991 itself. Okay, so 7 answer is B.